Hello, I am back. Hope you're all having a great day. I am jumping in to share some information. Not share some information, just share what I've been working on. And that is some systems and things. And if you can tell by the description, I am just sharing I think the title here, the title I had, the speed of systems and how I use AI to upgrade my lead magnet and my nurture sequence. I just updated this and I just kind of wanted to show you like the steps behind what I did going, I guess, facing the landing page, what people can see, the publicly seen things, but also understand that it is a strategy underneath. And if you're familiar, if you're a business owner, you're familiar with how lead magnets work and why you should have them to generate. It's lead generation to get more leads into your system, to collect emails and all the things, and then push them through your client journey if they become clients or customers. Uh, but I also want to say I am going to share with you my the visuals of my lead magnet. And I say all this to say that you don't necessarily have to do as much as what I did. What matters is that you have a plan and a strategy to collect emails and to get people into your sales funnel. That is the key. What is your system for lead generation, right? So, what I am about to show you is mine, where I am focused on collecting emails and then offering the opportunity to book a call with me. That is so I give something of value, which I'm going to share with you. And then I ask if it's of value to you, do you want to continue this conversation? Here, book a call for me. But the main thing is that all this is automated. And that is the goal. The goal to show you how I move from this can be done manually, you can send it to people, to a more scalable system while it qualifies people while you sleep, right? And you wake up and you have calls. And that is the way that it works. So let me get into just sharing this with you. Let me see where the share button. I want to share this one first because I want to share with you my um, guide. So this is the guide that's here, and of course I can happy to share this with you if you don't have it. But this is I think it looks pretty nice, and I've gotten leads that come through right. Um, it goes through, and this guide, just to let you know, your guide have to be of value. This is the digital guide. This is a zero cost guide to claiming your territory. So I'm giving 5 tips, not just tips, actions that you can take to protect your brand at zero cost that you can do today. You can do this zero cost. So I'm giving 5 things, and these are things that I typically share when I'm on calls with people, or if I see it missing with my clients, I share these that they need to do this. So this looks great. I like it. So why would I go in and update this? Why would I go in and update? First of all, I think I wanted to make it more interactive, and then second, and I'll get into that later, is that I was not getting any conversions, or not as many as I would like, when they click the link. When they clicked the link, I weren't getting as many conversions as I would like to the next step. So with that being said, let me stop the share, and I can show you what did I lose it? The revised, the updated version looks like. Oh, I didn't lose it. Oh, here it is. So the digital guard, this is the updated one. All right, so this is the updated one. So we still have the all the details. Now I put it in more um, interactive. We even have some, and you have to get on here to see what happens when you click all three. But also, it goes to the call to action. So now you can see that it's a little. I think you let me know what you think, but I think it provides just a little bit more interactive elements to get to the brand um, the elements of the brand, the pillars, the pillars that I was referring to. So I say all that to say, so I'm going to stop share. Let me know what you think about that. To so we have you have your lead magnet, but you also want to keep in mind that there are, and I say this with some of the things that are we are rolling out as services now with the AI and automation, is that there are three parts of a business. And this one has to deal with the marketing piece of every business, and that's lead generation. So what I did for the automation part was update the email sequence. And I just tweaked some of the language and also changed the offer in that nurturing sequence. And then I will monitor it over the next week or so to see if we get any engagement in that. And that is, I guess, called what you would hear called as a more optimized. I'm optimizing it because I put out that lead magnet about a month or so ago, and I would like more conversions on that. So I am changing it to see, tweaking it with that more interactive page. The more interactive page may not necessarily get more clicks, but we will see. But I think it looks so much better putting the automation, that's the AI component, and then when they click through, they will, when they actually opt in, they will get the email sequence that will share the opportunity to get on a call with me. Um, so you I know you see this. I just want to share this so you can see the possibilities. If you are not there, it is totally, 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 did I say totally? Totally fine to just put your lead magnet out on a Google Doc. Been there, done that. And sometimes I just start there because I don't have the time to put all the things out. So a Google Doc is just fine until you can move it into a more the PDF version, the landing page. But I did use AI to move faster with this and get this out. So I wanted to share that as a just so you can see the possibilities of how things move along, and just moving from being very proactive, how you can use AI to speed things up, right? That's still all my ideas and copy, but underneath is the automation, the strategy to nurture them, and then the automation that happens while you sleep. um, so it's not, and my goal is not to make it impersonal, is to make it more personable, but also to scale so I can reach more people. And then also the consistency. The automation helps you be more consistent. It's not dependent on if you have time, and it doesn't take days off. And that is what we have. So if you have any questions, just let me know, or you can drop it in the comments on how a automation and AI lead generation system would work. That would be something I can totally share with you. We just rolled out our AI and automations for Automation Edge, putting the first three systems in place, done with you, the automations for content for marketing, and then the automation for sales, following nurturing your leads, and then the reputation automation, getting your testimonials and reviews on automation so you can come back and plug that back into the system. But the point is to get all of this at 80% automation so you can spend more time on the with your clients and building your services and products. That's what we would want. So I hope you uh, found this valuable. If you did, just let me know. Just drop a comment, and I will see you next time.